Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 27th day of October, 2025. Great to be with you again. All right, here's the setup from today. Very, very slow day today in the markets. The market was not moving very much at all until the very end, and we happened to catch this very nice strong candle from the strong candle indicator only available at samuraidaytrading.com. So we look at this one, it tells us it's green pointing up, meaning we're going to take this green candle, we're going to try and run it up the chart here. So we just wait for this to push down a little bit. We'll put our order on and then go long. Now we look at the PVI. I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 20 and maybe 50 ticks long. So we're going to use our smaller ATMs today. We're going to use 11s, 21s, and 41s. We'll de-risk the trade after 11s and see how we go from there. So that's it. Small targets today. Here's the nice trade, the strong candle indicator. Let's go ahead and get it ready to go, and then we'll start it up. So we need this to push back a little bit. Usually we start with a cover order, which we can do, and then we got to push back to the 4-hour high, and we're ready to go. As soon as we get picked up, make sure all of our contracts get accepted. We'll speed it up to show you how it resulted. This trade, as all trades are in the trade of the day, were all trades taken by myself or other traders in the live trading room. So that's a really nice retrace there. Beautiful. Just an additional failure. Get picked up. That moving average shouldn't be a problem from here on out. Taking our time, maybe we need to just up this maybe a little bit more. But we're almost there. So the first minute of the candle's done. I love it. This is a perfect retrace. We're looking really good at this point. Boom. Okay. Stop is pretty much where it needs to be. We'll go ahead and speed this up a little bit and watch what happens when the first target's taken out. We'll de-risk the trade completely. It hasn't gone 12 ticks, so there we go. Now move it up. The trade's de-risked. Second target's out, and it's not taking, boom, that happened very, very quickly. That trade was worth 420 US dollars and took about 2.5 minutes to complete. So if you want to learn how to make 420 US dollars in 2.5 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com, home of the strong candle indicator, only available at Samurai Day Trading. So come and join us. Look forward to seeing you in the LTR soon. Until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.